With time, usually the slopeness of this general curve might go up and down. I'm indicating here something average for the last decade. But general order of all these assets, of all these saving vehicles, stays the same. And remember that it's not only, judging from this slope and from this order, I would always pick startups because it's the highest return. Remember, as I showed with a variation of the results, yes, the average return is probably highest, but there's also a certain probability of not getting this average return, but getting a return that would be negative, or for example, not getting your money back. So there's absolutely no additional return without some additional risk. And as I spoke before, there's a different risk tolerance for different people. If you are risk averse, you might prefer a more conservative asset classes or those saving types. Maybe you would go more to the bonds or more to a generic index funds for the stocks. If you're comfortable with a little bit more risk, you might try to pick some individual stock names or go even to some startups. Also, there's a different time horizon. If you have a big time horizon, you might choose more risk, and simply you have time to wait out those drawdowns, which is not the case if you are retiree, and check this in the retirement part.